There you go.
Oh, put it down. Get it out your hand now.
I can't.
Put it back in.
If I put it down, I won't be able to pick it back.
No, put it down. Don't cheat.
3, 2, 1, eat!
That's not fair. Ew!
Hello everyone. So today I am cooking nothing. I am not cooking today. We are going to do a Savoury 99, but we're also going to introduce eating challenge as well. So there's going to be 3 of us. There's going to be me, Lucas and Marcy, and we're going to do a speed eating Savoury 99. So I'm going to hand you over to Matt, who's going to cook it, and then we're going to smash it in.
Tag. It doesn't matter! Hi. So, as James said, Savoury 99. Pan. Belly pork. It's not there. Is it? Belly pork. Now, the belly pork has been steamed off for 20 minutes in the air fryer. Did you hear that sizzle? Not warm enough.
It's going really well.
I just make sure it's tender. Belly pork.
Belly pork.
And these are some lightly roasted red peppers. Garlic powder, because that's what they use on telly. I've seen them. Chili flakes.
Oh, chilies.
Salt and pepper. And Lucas is going to grab me the paprika because I forgot it. In the cupboard.
In the cupboard.
That was a chore.
Oh, it's sizzling.
So in there, while you've been on your travels,
Yep.
sausages swirling through.
Sizzle.
Some paprika, because that gives it that smoky and bandit flavour.
Smoky and bandit.
Smoky and bandit.
Is that where they take a cow from Hull to Edinburgh?
Yeah, it is.
Have you never seen Smoky and the Bandit?
No.
So they're sizzling away. In this here bowl, I have a selection of beans. Beans. Can you see them, James?
We can.
Lots of different beans.
Oh, it's sizzling now.
That's the sound you
smells
want,
nice.
does it?
Well, it smells nice. I can't smell it. Doesn't smell of anything yet. Alright, Marcy, if you die a bit quieter, please.
And then, let it warm through.
That's it.
Wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wibble wobble, wobble wobble, wobble wobble, wobble wobble. And as you can see, it's cooked. What's that smell like, people?
Beans.
Smells like a challenge.
Smell opportunity.
Opportunity. Do you want me to be one of them guys who's like, are you going to weigh them and make sure everything's the same?
Shut up.
I am making sure everything's the same.
He's a master of portions.
That's what your mum said.
You have to say that phrase very carefully.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, it's called a Savoury 99
Yeah.
because you put a good... There you go. What I like to do when I'm dishing up, just do an impression of that bloke off a Die Hard when he falls off at end.
Hans Gruber.
Yeah. Alan Rickman.
Alan Rickman.
Spoiler, am I right?
Oh yeah, if you haven't seen it,
If
spoilers.
you haven't seen it,
I haven't.
Yeah.
You haven't seen Die Hard? No.
You've never seen Die Hard?
Nope.
Oh
it's the
my
best
god.
Christmas film ever made.
Best Christmas film, yeah.
That's true. Come on.
Lovely. And then stick a sausage in it. These used to be on the menu,
I love them.
but then we downgraded the menu. But we've got a new menu again now. Looks like this. You see it?
Yep.
So now, I'll get rid of this cooker. And you three. Taste a bit with a spoon first. Then you have to eat whatever's in that cup, only using the sausage as a spoon. Because we haven't got any spoons. Well, we have, but it's in the bathroom and I'm not going upstairs.
Right, guys, let's have a little taste.
Delicious.
Genuinely is though.
Good beans.
All right.
The
Have you
sausage
got
is
a
really
timer?
wet though. Like,
You could have been in the pan.
yeah, but how am I supposed to like get a good grip on that?
Or do you want me to do it? I'll do it as well.
I got it now.
Have you?
You guys got it first.
Right.
I actually don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm a bit scared.
No spoons.
No spoons.
Maybe I'll carve out.
Sleeves
We've
up.
got a spoon, we've got no cost to use it. Alright guys,
Yep.
what did it taste nice, did it?
Very
Yes.
delicious.
Very nice.
3, 2, hang on.
Oh,
thank
put
you.
it down. Get it out your hand
I
now.
can't.
Put it back in.
If I put it down, I won't be able to think about it.
No, put it down. Don't cheat.
3, 2, 1, eat!
That's not fair. Ew!
Oh, right, so
That's a good idea, my hat's
Oh.
and beans.
I'm a fucking bastard.
That's impossible.
Can I get my hands in there?
I'm literally choking to death.
That's what your mum said.
No, she didn't.
My hat's is going for it, James, you might have it here.
Might have me as well.
We're taking a piss.
Blow them out.
Fuck!
The pork. You can't get the pork out with the sausage.
What? Oh, well, that was.
This is dirty.
This is real. Oh, fuck's sake!
What's your language?
Oh,
Do I have to eat this bit? It's just fat.
Yeah.
Okay.
if I
You have to finish everything in the cup.
Have you finished, Nancy?
No.
She's better eating half of it. Cheeky
I'm
gimp.
trying my best.
You've only been going a minute.
Have we half
It's
of
a minute
it?
too fucking long though. Oh!
Good
No, no, no.
beans.
You eat them hot. You jammy bastard.
I don't know how. You've not done it, have you? Cheeky sod.
Oh, you can do it then.
He's done it.
I've got bean all over my legs.
Mm.
Done.
I've given up. I'm eating for enjoyment now.
Right, you've got a spoon if you want it now.
What was
I'm
the time?
going to start eating it to enjoy it.
1 minute, 52 seconds.
I saw like 3 pieces of pork left.
If it wasn't for the pork, I would have got that.
Same.
That was nice.
So wipe up my trousers. So I got a hole in them.
Bit
Anyway.
spicier than I was expecting it to be like. Right, guys. Thanks very much for watching. James is the winner.
Ugh. Only just.
And we've got a couple of videos in the can, and we're just about to record Lucas taking on the tray bake challenge.
This is showing the noise.
So that'll
Again?
be up soon as well. Yeah, but not on its
pork
own
chop
for the
challenge
first
will be
section. And the pork chop challenge will be up soon as well.
If you like meat in your mouth, go to Domstown Butchers.
Try and keep it.
That me and Matt did.
Oh, it was nice.
It was nice.
We're going to include the car clips in that.
Yeah, we're going to include some of the car clips anyway. Some of the car.
Oh, yeah. there's-
Yeah. The journey going to get them. Anyway, so that's a next video along the line. That's it for this one. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Oh!